Hey guys, HTG 24, the Kids Intercontinental Champion. Don't worry, Lisa Murray will be coming out soon, and Lisa Murray's backstage. Lisa Murray's got a new tire on. He's wearing a new clothes. He's wearing a cool vest. It's purple and stuff. The Kids Intercontinental Champion, HTG 24. Me and Lisa Murray will be in a tag team match against the stuffed animals. Because me and Lisa Murray don't want to hurt each other, so me and him are going to be tag team partners against the stuffed animals. Lisa Murray, come out here.
Alright, man.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay, nice vest. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, ding, ding, ding. Let's get him. Yeah, let's get him. I got the hand. The hand. Oh, don't make sure he doesn't get counted out. 1, 2. We need the hand. He's the most important guy. Oh, what the heck? Hey, he's got the hand. I got the zombie eliminated. It's a pinfall elimination match. You have to eliminate them by pinfalls.
Oh, okay.
So try to pin them and eliminate them. Make them kick out too. And Mario kicked out it too. Hayden's got the hand. Hayden's got the hand. He's going for his finisher. Oh! Oh! 1, 2, 3, and this hand is eliminated. Here we go. Mamma mia. Oh, he got the teddy bear. Anyways, Luigi time. Ah! Oh no, Hayden! No! Oh, it's a double Luigi! 1, 2, 3! Luigi's eliminated. Alright. 1, 2, and the teddy bear's eliminated. He kicked out of 2. I saw that. The teddy bear's not eliminated. I saw him kick out of 2. Anyways, get him a little closer, Lisa Murray. Hey, let me get him. I'll get Mario. Hey, Mario. Oh! Oh! 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Mario's eliminated. Mamma mia. He's being attacked by the fox, Lisa Murray. I'll help him. I'll help you. Oh. Hayden helps Lisa Murray. Oh, he got finished her. 1, 2, 3. It's eliminated. He got the zombie piranha. The zombie piranha's attacking Lisa Murray. The zombie piranha's got Lisa Murray. 1, 2. Oh, Hayden saves him. The zombie piranha almost eliminated Lisa Murray. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. The zombie piranha's eliminated. We got the teddy bear. Left. This dog. Rudolph's girlfriend and this weird bangle. And the teddy bear from Zombies videos. Lisa Murray and HTG24. Oh! Let's rush! Oh my god, look at that! 1, 2. Oh, he got 2. Teddy bear's still in this. Oh, no! 1, 2. Oh, Lisa Murray kicks out 2. 1, 2. Oh! 3, and that dog's eliminated. That's your nose. 1, 2. Oh! Will he be coming out? 1, 2, 3. HTG24 brings him back in the ring so we can beat the hell out of him. Bye, bye. But he's not pinning him. What? He's not pinning him. 1, 2, 3. Instead, he eliminates this guy. Oh, I think he kicked out of me. What?
He kicked me out.
You're eliminated? No. Good. Don't worry. If we don't win, there's always tomorrow. No, there isn't. Oh! 1, 2, 3, and it's Rudolph's girlfriend's eliminated. There's never always tomorrow. And he's got the teddy bear. No. Oh! It's just. Oh! We're winners! HTG24 and Lisa other. Oh. Ready? We both did it.
Yeah.
We did it, man. We won.
We did it. We won the wrestling match.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.